JSE ended the day 0.43% weaker on 30,262 points. We spoke to Hein Kruger from Kruger International, looking at the need of easing on the local bourse.
If you look at our market, that we've had an up market now for basically 2 months, the whole of September and now October. I think we had a lot of volume in this market, but I think we need some easing in this market, and everything internationally as well as locally points to a bit of pressure on our market. We've seen, for instance, outflows of approximately 10% of the inflows over the past year into South African bonds by foreigners. We've seen the outflow of 8 billion in the past week. So things like that puts a little bit of pressure on our market, and it shows that maybe people are pulling out a little bit ahead of the budget next week.
Today, the NSE ended the day nearly 0.5% weaker at 24,942 points. We spoke to Chibuzo Ivenzo, Head of Research at ARM Investment Managers, to give us a summary of the day's trade.
I think it's a bit of profit-taking coming into play there. This has been the trend over the past couple of weeks, actually. We see brief rallies followed by a bit of profit-taking. And I think the market has been news-driven over that period. And we are really playing broader macroeconomic themes and also socio-political events. And I think the last catalyst for the last rally was the central bank governor's comments about the currency. We saw right after that the market picking up. And I think we will probably run out of that storyline for now, and profit-taking settling in.
Today, the NSE 20 ended up 0.75% to close on 4,701 points. We spoke to Samuel Gichohi, investment analyst at Standard Investment Bank, looking at market expectations for the rest of the week.
I think we're going to see a bit of profit taking going forward. We did see that on Mumia's stock yesterday, and we're probably going to see that on the Kenol Kobil stock and probably the Cooperative Bank stock in the next few days. That will probably cause a slight correction on the market, but not in the long term. It's probably going to be, due to a bit of speculative trading over the next maybe 1 week, and then we're going to start seeing another surge upwards, which we expect to be, the market to be bullish as we go towards the fourth quarter of the year.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.